plan this week is to knock down the wall in the kitchen and sort out the master bedroom ceiling. So let's see how it goes.
That was easier than I thought it was going to be. Don't want dust in the salt. Making progress. Apologies for the nakedness, but it's boiling.
If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. I'm only just getting started with this project, so there'll be plenty more videos to come.
Okay, guess what's in here? I bought myself a plasterboard lift because I am bored of renting them and then not being able to use them. This was only 120 quid and hopefully I can just sell it at the end of the project. So let's unbox it. And this is way better than the one I used last time. So hopefully I won't look like such an idiot while I do it. I don't really understand why everybody loves Stanley knives. I think they're shit. They're so like wobbly and finicky and like it always feels like it's about to cut my hand off. I do not think they're a good design. Open. Today I actually want to try and board this ceiling. Now it should be possible. What I'm going to do is I kind of destroyed the first panel. There's loads of holes in it. But I'm going to use that to start anyway, just so as a practice piece, because there's no point destroying another piece. So I'm going to raise that one up and hopefully try and get it to stick to the ceiling. But let's see how it goes. Oh, that's the wrong way up, isn't it? Ugh. So step one Raise plasterboard to ceiling. Oh God. This is scary, man. Well, there's one screw in. Hooray. Don't know if there's an order I'm gonna do these in. That's 2 in. Don't want to get cocky, mate, but it's going a lot better than it went last time. 3 for 3. I'm getting a bit big-headed up here, guys. I'll tell you what, my arms are going to bloody ache afterwards. This is going how it looked like it should have gone on the YouTube tutorial. Solid, mate. First board done. And 1,000,000 times better than when I tried to overboard it. Look at that. Now I've just got to do that like 12 times. Cue the time lapse of me doing a whole ceiling.
This was clearly going a lot smoother than any of my previous attempts, but I'd be lying if I said it was a completely stress-free experience. A number of times I'd find that the boards wouldn't perfectly fit in the spaces, and I'd have to use this rasp to take the edge off. When I was doing the smaller pieces towards the end, they wouldn't fit on the lift, and I couldn't think of any other way to hold them up other than with my head, and it's actually quite painful.
It's the end of the day, it's getting dark. I've done all of it apart from one small patch there and a tiny little slither over there that I need to do. But that's tomorrow's problem. That was a pretty full on day. At the start, it was pretty difficult. Like, I've sworn a lot at this lift. You got to like get it to the ceiling, then move it around a bit, and then it doesn't quite fit because you measured it wrong, and then you got to like graze a bit off the end. Boarding a ceiling is not my favorite job I've done so far, but it is pretty much done, and now it's ready to plaster, which I'm probably not going to do because, I don't know, we'll see. Wall removal, day 2.
So much space for activities. I don't have a wall anymore. I now have a huge kitchen with dream feature, toilet in the corner. Who doesn't want a kitchen toilet? The roof didn't cave in, which is a big bonus because sort of 50-50 whether that was going to happen. But yeah, that took about a day and a half to do all of it. I took a few breaks, to be honest, because I'm absolutely exhausted after quite a laborious week. But I've sort of cleaned up a little bit and it's looking good. I'm going to be building a stud wall just slightly further back than where that wall was. But the reason I took this one down is because I want the doorway in the center, and the builder said, if you're going to move the doorway, you might as well just remove the wall and then build a stud wall because it'll be easier, which makes a lot of sense. So I'm glad he said that. For now, I've just got an absolutely massive kitchen with a toilet in the corner, which is fun. I don't have any electricity in here anymore, which is brilliant. I think if I just get another fuse, I'll be fine. But for now, I think it's kind of, I don't need to do anything else in here for a while, aside from replace the whole roof and knock down that wall. But that's not going to happen for a while. Thanks for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a pretty laborious week, and tune in next week, see what I get up to. I'm not going to say what I'm going to be doing because every time I do that, it completely changes. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.